Hey y'all, the good folks over at OHDAY sent me this handheld shower head. It says it has 6 different spraying modes. 5 is going to be out of the shower head, and it's got a jet cleaner on the back of it. Let's get it opened up and take a look at it. Have our hose here. I believe it said it was like a 72-inch hose. I'll tell you for sure in just a moment. And we have our little mounting hardware to hook up the plumbing on it. And the shower head itself. We're going to get this thing hooked up here in a moment. Here's that little sprayer that comes out the back. Apparently you push this and it sprays out right there. We'll find out in a moment. It has the normal, turn it to change the patterns and whatnot. There's rubber washers and the fitting, and it comes with a little Teflon tape, plumber's tape, whatever you want to call it. Let's go get it hooked up and see how well it works. Plus, I'm going to get you the actual measurement on this. Okay, that hose was 70 inches. So anyway, you want to take your plumber's tape, Teflon tape, whatever you want to call it. Just kind of wrap this. It's to kind of help prevent it from leaking. It's got rubber washers anyway, but it could possibly leak. So it's better to go ahead and do it. Just tear it off. That's all there is to that. Now this attachment does have a filter in there, so it should pick up any particles coming through there, larger particles. You just put this on here and thread it on there. This is a standard size. Should fit most showers. You want to get that good and snug. Point your hose down, because that's where your hose is going to connect. A long hose. Well, has a little thread protector and the little nut right there, and then that is what's going to attach right here. So we'll put these on here. You can Teflon this too. It probably wouldn't hurt. We should be all right. We'll check. If it leaks, you can take it back off and Teflon it. Not a big deal at all. Now you can take some channel locks and tighten that just a little, but don't overdo it, because you can strip this out or crack the little nut right there. Get good and snug. Now, got the thread protector in this end as well. Take that out. Has a rubber washer in there. I don't know if you saw it fall out, but it did fall out, so make sure yours don't fall out. Thread that on there. This side, this won't need Teflon tape at all. This is plastic. You don't need the Teflon plastic fittings. All right, that's all there is to it. Tilt that down a little bit. Got a long hose on it there. Okay, let's see if it leaks and see what kind of patterns it has here. No leaking, so we're good there. That's the one pattern. There's the second pattern. Has water coming out the middle and on the outside. That's just kind of a jet spray right in the center. 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. It was this way. So there's a little bit of pulsing coming out the center and still the outside spray. I believe that was it. Oh, there we go. We've got the shower. Kind of a heavy duty, I think they call it a shower. I don't know. It's a heavy mist. Is what that is. So we will put it back here. And then we'll take a look at that jet sprayer on the top. This down where you can see it, and try to do this without making a mess. Whoa, that's got some serious pressure on it. I don't know if you can see my hand moving back, but oh yeah, that would clean the bathtub really good. Spray it down straight down that drain too. If you have a little bit of clog, it might kind of clean that out real good. And it does not have a stop, you know, where you can just turn it off. So you'd have to turn it off at the faucet to move it away from this area. But anyway, that works really well. There you go. So if you would like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can go check it out and possibly order one for yourself. And if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so yet, you could subscribe to the channel if you wanted to. I'd really appreciate that one. Anyway, there it is. Works great. I'm really impressed with that little jet cleaner, jet spray thing on the top. That really puts some pressure out now. If you had this thing soaped down, you could rinse that soap off just like that. Anyway, does a really good job. Thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching. Hello?